Okay, here we are getting hit by our second blizzard in about 5 days, and I've got a little problem on my hands. As you can see, major snow drifts coming up over the door. Can't get out, and the problem is I've got a valuable piece of equipment or an item over there, which would be my case of beer. Out of beer, there's my case of beer. As you can see the problem, I'm going to have to try and escape here. Basically the strategy on this is kind of a Scrooge McDuck into the snow. There is a car under there somewhere too, so I've got to be careful not to hit the car. What you want to do on a situation like this is get up on the second rung. You want to bend at the knees, and what you're going to do is just thrust. Now there's a very steep hill, so you got to watch out for the after roll. What we're going to do is actually move our step stool back. I feel some slippage coming on. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. There wasn't so much of the after roll as I thought there would be.
Oh my gosh.
However, there's a little bit of stuckage.
Look how close you are to the beer.
The backstroke. Sort of the backstroke, and then you can turn around to the freestyle. I've got the merchandise! I've got the merchandise! Shit. I've got the merchandise. You want to cup that with 2 hands, I think. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how